Although using the cloud for backups is a fantastic way to better protect your data, recovering from the cloud can be slow.
Due to the linear recovery fashion that most backup solutions provide, important data is often buried in ROT.
Redundant, obsolete, trivial. How much could this delay in data recovery cost your organisation? What if you could have it back instantly? InstantData does exactly that. Here's how. When you need your data back, it doesn't matter where you are. Select what you need from one of your previous backups and click Go. The data becomes available immediately for you to start working on. This is achieved seamlessly because the data is prioritised as you access it, with the rest of your dataset being recovered in the background once the immediate needs have been served. This allows business applications to start reading files immediately, and it means you can carry on working without having to wait for all data to be restored. What else can InstantData be used for? Well, you can even mount an entire previous backup set as a virtual drive, allowing you to temporarily browse through the data for purposes such as data mining and audits. Almost no additional disk space is needed for this. InstantData also helps you recover faster from a disaster. It allows you to fire up a new system at the touch of a button. This could be in any location that is best suited to your needs, including other cloud providers. This greatly reduces the need for expensive disaster recovery systems such as hardware duplicates and dedicated software.